Should we go for an adventure? Should we go for a walkies? Should we go walkies? Yeah? Oh my goodness. Okay. Hello, what is up? We're at Holmes Lake today. I wanted to take the boys on a little adventure, and it's really, really hot, so I think we're just gonna go play in the water for a little bit. Norman, this way. Jerry, no. Jerry, no. No. Jerry, no. No. Come on, this way. This way. Come on. Oh my God, there was a dead fish. I didn't see it until Norman got scared by it. And then Jerry licked it and it was really gross. I hate fish so much. Come on, you silly. Norman wanted these little ducks right here, but he cannot have them. Norman, Jerry, come! Come on! Oh, that's good boys! Good boys! Jerry, come here! Hi! This way! This way, come on! It's 90 degrees in Lincoln today, and it's a tad hot for my liking, but I will take it over snow. Working on my tan right now, taking the boys for a walk, and just enjoying this glorious sunny day and just soaking up all the rays that I can get, because this last winter sucked. So I am trying to embrace nature and go out and enjoy the sunshine at least once every day, because we draw energy from nature, and I feel so much better if I just make it outside at least once a day for a walk or a little adventure like this. So I challenge you to go outside and just enjoy nature, enjoy some fresh air, enjoy some sunshine, and get out there and have fun. Even if it's just a super simple little walk or taking the dogs to the dog park, that's still an adventure in my book, because you're still getting out and doing something fun. Jerry just found another fish, and I think it's just the grossest thing ever. I hate fish with every fiber of my being. I like to go fishing because it's fun, but I can't touch the fish, so it's kind of unfortunate. I'm afraid of fish, number one, because when I was like 5 years old, I went to the fish store to get my first goldfish, and like there's 1,000 dead fish, and it was really creepy, and I cried. And then another reason is because when I was a teenager, I was tubing or wakeboarding or something, and I fell into the water, and a fish got caught between myself and the life jacket, and it was flopping in my face, and I swear it looked like a piranha and had teeth, and it was trying to kill me. So ever since then, fish are no-go for me. I can't do it. They're so gross, but that's okay. I don't need to like fish. Jerry, where are you going? Good boy. doing? Douglas. Oh my goodness. So I guess one of the cats did not like that I took the boys out because look at this. Look at this. Oh well, at least it's just dirt and I can easily vacuum it up. But now Jerry thinks that he wants to dig in this dirt.